Welcome to S&T Snail production. My name is Engineer Theocracy. I am here with some fellow representatives from the federal government at S&T. Before then, I will introduce them to you. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Comrade Ebe Ikechukwu Obienyi. I am the National President, Federation of Snail Farmers. We are under the Ministry of Trade and Investment and Ministry of Agriculture. We are here to commission a project on slime extraction, which is first made in Nigeria by S&T. Thank you.
My name is Honorable Chidi Uzoma Onyeko. I am the Vice President, Southeast, Federation of Snail Farmers, Marketers and Association of Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you. Here with me are the representatives of the federal government to launch the first made extractor machine in Africa. Before we go in details, we have to launch this machine, then I'll give you a brief history about the machine. I hereby invite the Federation President to hereby commission the first snail slime machine made in Nigeria.
This machine is made specially for Extractor, which is the snail made for slime. It has more slime than any other slime, and the slime of Fulica is a very quality one. All over the world is being recognized. And here today, I am here on behalf of Federation of Snail Farmers, on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria, to commission the machine that an indigene of Nigeria made, which will stop the importation of other machines from foreign countries to do the same thing in Nigeria. So we are happy and glad to commission it today for production and for more reproduction. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank you.
Please, can you show us how this machine functions and the difference between this very machine constructed here in Nigeria and the one in abroad, and if it is more quality or more productive than the one from outside the country? We would like to know. The public would like to know.
Thank you very much. I'm here to give you a brief history about how I come about producing the first slime production machine in Africa called the S&T Fulica 1. When I bought my first machine, I realized that the machine, while producing the machine, they concentrated more on the species in Europe called the Helis aspersa, Helis umatia, Helis cornum, and other Helis family. Now, when this machine comes to Africa, we now realize that we are having some issues with the machine because it's best well produced to attend to Helis aspersa. So for us to produce slime in Africa as a whole, and our species here, it doesn't fall in the Helis, it falls in the family of Yashatinidae, which we pick the one that produces a very healthy slime, which is the Yashatina fulica. I decided to go into my engineering field, get all components involved, and some research on my snail, practical research in the farm. So I designed this machine to suit our African snail without having any issue. Instead of us buying from overseas and who comes to Africa, we're having one or two problems, I decided to do the one that will suit our production. Now, if you talk about Hellis, the Hellis shell is being considered. Hellis, when they produce slime, it foams. If you touch this Hellis, you see foam everywhere in the body before it brings the slime. When the foam settles down, before it will bring out liquid. So they make their bucket big to accommodate the foam. Now, the first people that produces extractor machine in the world is Mola One. The machine is called Mola One. Mola One does steam baiting. They steam bait the snail. So during that process, the ozone water they use in steam baiting the snail enters the slime. So automatically it becomes a diluted slime as far as water is involved. Ozonated water, purified water, but as far as water is involved, it becomes a diluted slime. Another company came up, which is Mucus Pro. They said no, they don't want water, they want raw 100% slime. They decided to configure their own machine to remove water, not using water at all, in order for you to have 100% raw snail slime. Now this is an upgraded version like Mucus Pro, but with a reference to African snail. So with this production, I will start from the slime collector. When it extracts first, sorry, let me come up. This is, you open, come closer. This is the drum. So you put your snails here and you close it for it to work. Then you power it on, power these buttons on, and it will start working. I will give you a demonstration of it practically. Then after working, this is the slime collector. It collects the slime. Then you pour this into the filtration machine. The filtration machine using a vacuum pump will filter all particles into this place. It becomes a well purified slime. Now, let me give you a practical demonstration. In the practical demonstration, all you just need to do is to open this. Then put your finger in. If you check the other species, their shell is harder than our shell. So when you are dropping yours, you don't just pour it, you put it gradually.
Avoid crack.
Yes. So after putting this, you come and see. Cover. Pour it on. The machine will be working. Then look for obstruction. You cover. So after covering it, it will take you 45 minutes for the slime to extract. Then after 45 minutes, you power the machine off. Give it like 30 minutes to all the slime in their body to finally drain off into the slime collector. So this is the machine perfectly working, and we'll show you the end product later after some hours when it has finally extracted. As you can see, it's working perfectly well. Yeah, we have finally come to the conclusion of today's training. slash launching. I'm here to certify the students from the Federal Republic of Nigeria who came to undergo training in S&T on snail slime production. So they are hereby certified today and qualified to produce internationally well purified snail slime from the snail called Ashatina fulica. This is Comrade Ebe Ikechukwu Ogbonye, am I right? I'm giving you this certificate today to show that you participated in the training and you can produce slime anywhere in the country, anywhere outside the country from all you have undergone. But before I give you this certificate, I want you to tell them what is your experience.
My fellow Nigerians, my fellow Africans, my name is Comrade Ebe Ikechukwu, again, the National President Federation of Snail Farmers, Processors and Marketers Association of Nigeria, the umbrella body of all snail farmers and processors in Nigeria. I have come to acquire more training, especially in processing of slime in S&T company. The company that has been working so very hard to make sure that snail gets its position in the world market, especially slime. And what I have acquired, the knowledge I have acquired, not only theoretically but practically, I'm so overwhelmed. And his machine, from what we have seen, the machine in which he produced here in Nigeria is more superior than the ones that we are bringing into this country or in Africa in general. So I'm also using this opportunity to tell Africans that Nigeria has done it and done it better than our counterpart offshore. And here is the market in Nigeria. And we trained with it and we saw what it can do more than the ones that we are bringing in Nigeria. And I'm telling you today, Africa, we have everything. Let us support our own. Let us promote our own. Let us join hands in making our own the best anywhere in the world. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm also here to certify Honorable Chidi Uzoma Onyekuluje. Sorry. Yeah, please, before I give you this certificate, do you have any brief thing to tell us?
Hello, Africans, hello, Nigerians. My name is Honorable Chidi Uzoma Onyekuluje. I am the Vice President, Southeast Federation of Snail Farmers, Processors and Marketers Association of Nigeria. We are here today. I'm very, very happy because what I learned today, just to support what my pledges have said, I learned a lot today. Seeing is believing. I've been hearing it, but today I believe. I call all the Nigerian youth. Stop saying that there's no job. Stop believing that government will do everything for you. Start doing something. It doesn't cost much to do snail, and there is big money in snail as we see today. I can't believe that this type of snail is happening in Nigeria. Gold production, everything, processing everything is wonderful. And from now, as it is in my mind, as it is in my mind, before the end of the year, maybe I will start issuing people my own certificate. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. This is the end of today's program.